Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing this challenge with my friend, merced.
Hi.
So yeah, ooh, I got a ninja cat.
Who did? There's a ninja cat?
Yes.
What's a ninja cat?
I don't know.
Really?
I don't. This is the first time I've ever seen one.
Oh, it's named Ninja Cat?
Yeah, it's something for my face. But, okay guys, so me and merced are going to be doing a challenge. And the challenge is she's going to be picking what I should wear. So, yeah, that's the challenge. She didn't even know it.
Okay.
I'm just making this video because, like, I haven't been recording, so.
Okay, so do it again like a dummy or on your avatar?
Like, on my avatar. So, we're going to start. You know what? I'm just going to start from the beginning.
Okay, let me go to your inventory and I'll show you what I want you to wear.
Well, just tell me, okay?
Oh my God, that is a beautiful, beautiful cat.
Oh, the ninja cat.
Yeah, I can't. It won't let me flip my screen. Well, I want the sparkling shine. It's in your accessories.
Alright, so I have to go to accessories. Hold on, where's accessories? Alright, what is it called? Sparkly shine?
Yeah.
It's already on.
Okay, well, now do the bubbly animation.
I gotta have the bubbly one. Okay, it's fine.
Okay, I want you to do the sniffle space.
Alright, it's already on.
Okay. Put on the woman head.
I believe it's already on. Just let me check real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, it's already on.
Okay. I want you to put the ripped jeans on. I want you to put butterflies and this dress on.
So, what do I need to, like, for clothes, what do I need to put on?
The butterfly top and this dress. It's in your pants.
Okay, so I'm looking for something with butterfly. Oh, butterfly top with jeans?
Yeah, it's a butterfly top with jeans.
Yeah, okay, I have it. What else?
What?
Like, what else do I need to put on?
Okay, and I want to see what the angel top looks like.
The angel top. It's cute, but, like, I never really wore it. I wore it, but I took it off as soon as I did. As soon as I did wear it.
Put it on because I want to see if it looks good.
The angel or the butterfly?
So it says angel on it. Cause there's an outfit.
Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm really sorry. Ooh, I forgot I brought this shirt. This shirt is really cute.
Okay.
Why did I buy this? It's like not cute at all. Okay, so I'm an angel on.
No, it's not that outfit. It's the outfit that has. It's just like a plain tank top and it has a flower on it.
Didn't I put that on?
Okay, yeah, that was good. And now we need to go to your hair.
Oh man. Okay. Okay. And I have hats. Don't forget hats.
Okay. I want you to put on.
Okay, so what hair did you say I need to put on? What hair?
Yeah.
What hair should I put on?
Okay, I want to see the lazy bun.
Okay. I really.
Girl, such a
Okay, there. Oh, it's on.
Ooh, I don't like that. Okay. Can you change it to... Oh, I accidentally went to my avatar.
I can buy
Hold
more
on.
more like hairs if you want me to.
No.
Cause I only have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I want to see the shimmering brown. Shimmering brown.
Alright, it's on. Alright, I put I put on the shimmering brown French.
Okay, let me look at it. I like it.
Okay, what accessory should I put on? Like, I have more accessories, I think.
Okay, let me go to your inventory. Yeah. So I want you to put on the hoop earrings.
Alright, I'm gonna buy more hoops. I want more earrings.
And I think that's it.
You don't want my butterfly hat, my rainbow drink. Ooh, my weed fell off. My overseer, oversleeper.
Do the bunny scrunchie. I want to see what it looks like.
The bunny scrunchie. What is that?
It says bunny scrunchie.
Oh. Okay. Oh, bunny scrunchie right here. Okay. Oh, that's that thing that goes around my head.
What happened?
Nothing.
Yeah. Are you in fear of all that beauty?
That's not beauty. I see. So is
It's
this
actually beautifulness.
wow? Okay, guys. So we had to transfer. Hold on. Sorry, Merced. We had to transfer devices. Okay. So this is my little sleeping outfit. Okay. So I'm going to go to. I'm just gonna set this as reg pajamas. So I can always have it. Take Peanut out. Just take him out. Don't give him to me. So, guys, please, Merced, how many likes do you have? Do I have to get to be able to test trade Peanut?
I told you I'm not testing it.
Please, I really want him. I wanna fly and ride him.
No.
Guys, please get this video to 100k likes, and I doubt it's gonna get there.
No, I'm not gonna give it to you.
I'm a failure, so 50k likes, and hopefully she lets me test trade Peanut, and then I'll give away my neon unicorn to someone. Stop.
No.
I said stop.
I don't want any on unicorn.
I said to someone, not you. You don't deserve it.
Cool.
So,
So y'all know she scammed me today.
who did I scam? Tell me who did I scam?
You scammed me because I paid for the thing, and then what is it?
And I gave you my neon unicorn, but what did you do? You gave it back. Do not lie.
Yeah, because you asked for it back.
No, I said you were holding Donut. I said, I'm gonna miss you, Donut. It's very emotional. You said, do you want it back? I said, sure. Thank you.
No, you said, can I have it back? Bruh.
Disappointment. The way you just fell through the floor though. You see, guys? Oh yeah, also I'm going to be doing a giveaway with this penguin that she gave to me. So yeah. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. And she's so crazy. Bye!